హాయ్ టు ఆల్. ఎవరైతే మన ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నారో దయచేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఏపీ 10th క్లాస్ బయాలజీకి సంబంధించి ఈ మోడల్ పేపర్ అనేది ఒకసారి డిస్కషన్ చేసుకుందాం. ఇందులో ఉన్నటువంటి ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏవనేది ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఎక్స్పాండ్ హెచ్ఐవి, వాట్ ఈజ్ meant by ESRD, write the parts of chloroplast, when compared with other animals which part is very important in our body. Fifth question, name the blood purifying part of human body. Sixth question, which part is taken as example for homologous evidences in the following animals? A. Man, B. cheetah, C. whale, D. bat. Define the term cardiac cycle. Eighth question, what is meant by allele? Ninth question, in which place does cow stand in the following food chain? A. producer, B. primary consumer, C. secondary consumer. 10th question, give an example for alkaloid. 11th question, which air is warm while we are breathe? 12th question, dams dash rivers renewable resources. Section 2, what is the pigment in photosynthesis and where is it located? Define the term breathing. 15th question, which tissue helps in transporting nutrients in plants? 16th question, write the stages of cell cycle. 17th question, synapse is connecting junction of two neurons. Is it correct? If it is correct, explain it. 18th question, what is meant by fertilization? Write the types in it. 19th question, write the causes of global warming. 20th question, write any two uses of LPG. Section 3, first question, draw a neat label diagram of mitochondria. 22nd question, write the differences between veins and arteries. 23rd question, what is the reason for Mendel choose an pea plant for his experiments? 24, what is root pressure? Write its role in plants. 25, name the different types of teeth in our mouth and write the dental formula. 26, write about testes in man. 27, write any 4 examples for renewable resources. 28, write any 4 operators in the following diagram. హైడ్రిల్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది, దానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఆపరేటర్స్ రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ 29th క్వశ్చన్, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద లైట్ రియాక్షన్ ఆర్ write the differences between photosynthesis and respiration. 30, observing the following experiment, write the answer for the questions below the diagram. What is the aim of this experiment? Write the apparatus using in this experiment. Write the observations, which substance change its color, or write the aim and procedure in the experiment, that action of saliva on floor. 31st question, draw a neat label diagram of LS of kidney and write important parts in it. Label the following diagram and write about cell body. 32nd question, fill in the following table with the proper words. Producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers. Grass dash tiger, carrot rabbit dash dash goat wolf, grains dash cat. Or write any 4 sentences about the following diagram. 33rd question, what type of questions do you ask nephrologists to know more about kidneys? Or write about the blood clotting in human beings. These are the most important questions. Thanks for watching.